Hello friends, I am taking two questions from BJT that are asked in GATE. This question is from GATE EC 1995. Given data is alpha is equal to 0.99, VB is equal to 0.7 volts. Find the value of IC, that is collector current. So the circuit is given. This current will be IB, current flowing through base. This is base, this is collector, and this is emitter. Current flowing through this will be IB and current flowing towards collector will be IC. So the incoming current will be IB plus IC and this will be IE. So first of all, we will find what is the value of beta. As it is common emitter amplifier, we should know the value of beta. So alpha is equal to 0.99 and beta is equal to alpha upon 1 minus alpha. That is 0.99 divided by 1 minus 0.99. So it will be 99. Beta is equal to 99. Now let's proceed. First of all, if I apply KVL to this loop, I will denote it as loop 1 and this loop as loop 2. So first apply KVL to this loop, loop 1, 12 minus 1k into bracket IB plus IC minus 10k IB minus 0.7 minus 1k IE equal to 0. But we know IE is equal to IB plus IC and IE is equal to IB plus IC and IC is equal to beta IB. So we can replace IE as beta plus 1 IB everywhere. So 12 minus 1k IB plus IC is equal to IE, that is beta plus 1 IB. Beta plus 1 IB minus 10k IB minus 0.7 minus 1k beta plus 1 IB equal to 0. So we can easily find the value of IB, that is base current. So IB equals to 12 minus 0.7 divided by 1k beta plus 1 plus 10k plus 1k beta plus 1. Now put the value of beta as 99. So 1000 into 100 plus 10,000 plus 1000 into 100 whole inverse into 12 minus 0.7. Its value will be 53.80 microamperes. So I will check this value is right or not. Just a minute. 1000 into 100 plus 10,000 into 12 minus 0.7. Yes, it's right. 53.80 microamperes is the value of IB. Now I will find the value of IC. IC is nothing but beta IB. So just multiply IB with beta, that is 99. So it will be 5.32 milliamperes. So the value of IC is 5.32 milliamperes. So our final answer is 5.32 milliamperes. Now the next question is question 2. This circuit is voltage divider bias. This is our base, collector, emitter. VB is 0.8 volts. Alpha is equal to 1. Find VC in volts. This question is asked in GATE EC 2017. Now first of all, I will convert this whole circuit. This is R1, this is R2. So RB is equal to R1 parallel with R2. So it will be 44k into 44k in parallel with 16k. So it will be 11.73 kilo ohms. And VTH is equal to voltage at this terminal is equal to 18 into 16k divided by 16k plus 44k. So it will be, using voltage divider rule, VTH is equal to 18 into 16k divided by 16k plus 44k. It will be 4.8 volts. Now replace this circuit rest components are as it is. Now here value of voltage VCE is asked. And here one more important information is given, alpha is equal to 1. And for common emitter amplifier, we need beta. So to find value of beta, beta is equal to alpha upon 1 minus alpha. 1 upon 1 minus 1, that is 1 by 0 is infinity. Beta is equal to infinity. Beta is very large, infinite. It implies that current flowing through base is 0. So make IB is equal to 0. And we know IE is equal to IB plus IC. And here as IB is equal to 0, so our IE will become IC. So here IE is equal to IC. Now analyze the circuit. Current flowing through this 11.73 kilo ohm will be 0. So don't consider this. We will only consider this voltage and apply KVL to base emitter loop to get current IE. So IE will be 4.8 minus 0.8 divided by 2K. So it will be 4 divided by 2K is 2 milliamperes. But IE is equal to IC. So value of IC will be also 2 milliamperes. Now apply KVL to collector to emitter loop. 18 minus 4K IC minus VCE minus 2K IE is equal to 0. But as here IC is equal to IE, we can write 18 minus 4K into IC minus VCE minus 2K IC is equal to 0. And VCE is equal to 18 minus 4K IC minus 2K IC. Now put the value of IC, that is 2 milliamperes. 18 minus 4K into 2M minus 2K 2M. Kilo ohms and milliampere will get cancelled out. We will get 4 into 2 8, 2 into 2 4. 18 minus 8 10, 10 minus 4 6. So the value of VCE is 6 volts. This is final answer.